I'm only joking. Alright, bro, listen, remind them, tell them what your name is and where can they follow you, please.
My name is Nate Rich, and you can follow me on Instagram on Nate_Rich Music. You can follow me on Facebook, and yeah, that's about it. So,
alright, let's get it.
Give me a scratch to see the time I let my barriers down into my life. Something always happens, always proves me right. Whenever I give the benefit of the doubt, it always ends the same. With me losing out again. Remember what I said earlier? Wear me down, keep wear me down, keep wear me down, wear me down, keep wear me down, keep wear me down, wear me down, keep wear me down, keep wear me down, wear me down. Someday I'll come around. If I open up, tell you my darkest secrets, can I trust you not to run and use it as a weakness? I haven't had much luck with love, searching in the wrong places. What was I thinking of? When push comes to shove, I wanna believe we could be one hell of a team. Trust in the words you say, but I'm conflicted between bad memories. Haunts me today. Wear me down, wear me down, keep wear me down, wear me down, keep wear me down, wear me down. Keep wearing me down. Someday I'll come around. Hey, come on, man.
Hold on. We gotta move on, bro.
I got you.
Listen, I appreciate it. Listen,
thank you, though.
Great voice, man. Shout out to your missus as well, supporting you. I really respect
Sharman Show, I wrote the song. It wasn't for him, I wouldn't have been able to write the song. Steelo wanted to.
And where can they follow you?
Follow me, please. Nate_Rich Music.
Thank you so much. Beautiful.
I think we gotta go.
All right, let's do it, man. Let's get the next artist on. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, man. All right, we got there. Need to speak to me. Need to speak to me, do ya? All right, cool, team. What am I gonna do? Right, big up everyone. Tapping the screen. Love and blessings. Where do we go next, man? I don't even know what to do right now. Right, let me just run a tune real quick. Right, big up my soca crew. Big up my dancehall crew. But let me go here real quick.
Yeah, this is DJ AG. Play music for the people in the streets. You see it? Run that! Hey, DJ AG. When you play, you make the girl crazy. Never back down, never lazy. Boom. DJ AG, you a murder. We love it with the girl and twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A bigger deep,
sorry about that.
Never ever heard of. Hey yo, AG, you a murder. You done mash up the place from your turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. You a burn up. How we tell them they kitty them pretty AG in my back. Love the way you whine or you walk or you talk. So when you take body like a rocket, it a blast. AG a number one pon the girl them top charts. Hey, white, black, brown, slim around me not care. No time of day them forget anywhere. We no rich if a girl think we a millionaire. DJ AG run the whole square. DJ AG, you a murder. We love the way the girl them twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up.
Alright, team, so right now we're just sorting something out right now, real quick.
Hey yo, AG,
shout out to Perksy, yes me.
You done mash up the place from your turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up.
so much, Queen. I appreciate you. Right, team, listen, don't forget to follow the page, follow the artists that you've enjoyed so far today. Let me just play this one real quick, and I'm hoping that we've got a next artist that's ready to go, but I'm just waiting for a little signal. Give me 1 second.
Stem on the rain, no stress, and they don't know champions and girls.
You know, it's only big dub plates here, man.
Gotcha. Hey, yo, you know how we do. Blessing them for you alongside the man them called DJ AG.
Shout out to Wale. Right, he's trying to just figure that out real quick.
You know what I mean? Blessing the community.
All right.
You know we do. Yeah, man, OG style.
Yes, sure.
AG said, just give me the lights and pass the joe. Bust another buckle of them. Yeah, the men are with sides and I got